How to send big files on Discord. Hello guys, and today we're going to talk about this platform called Discord. And in Discord, you would be able to send people files like photos, videos, or MP3. But if your file is too big, you wouldn't be able to use Discord to send your file. So what we're going to do to be able to send a big file is you're going to go to wetransfer.com and you're going to upload a file. For example, this file over here. It's going to upload the file that we are going to send in Discord, and then we're going to click on the three dots, and then we're going to click on get transfer link, and then we're going to click on get a link. And after that, our file would be officially uploaded to wetransfer.com, and we could simply click on copy link, and then we're going to send this link instead of the actual file into our Discord. And when people open this link, they would be redirected to this page over here where they would be able to download the file that we have sent. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.